Hey
guys.
Softies. See, it's been a long time, so it's evident that we forgot what are we gonna say. Everything actually. So yeah, but
Roller. What do you say?
let's reintroduce ourselves again. Let's do the intro again. Hey
Hey
Softies, welcome to Between Us. This is DSY, Sanu, and it's been a long time.
Yeah.
I hope our 5 subscribers missed us. Also, we are alive, nothing happened to us, but
Although nobody asked about it.
she has board exams. She had board exams. That's the reason we.
Wish me luck, guys.
She had.
Hope I pass.
Yeah, so
With
that's the reason we didn't record anything. She was focusing on her studies. Even I had my midsem. So much has happened, and we couldn't
Too
record
busy to
and
shoot actually.
upload a video. I know there are more people who actually have busy schedule and still they stick to the plan, but
We are not there
clearly
yet.
we aren't that
In that position
consistent.
yet.
But
It's fine. We'll get back to the routine, right?
yeah,
We both belong to really different careers, and like even our streams are different. She's MEC and I'm from PCB. So we thought, why not ask questions to each other from our own streams? She has no idea about science. I can definitely say that. I can also say that I know nothing about like
biology
social.
is my weak subject.
I love biology.
Even though you asked me where the heart is, I cannot answer that. So that
Everybody knows it's like Kuncham on the left side. Do you not feel anything beating inside you? Are you dead?
dead inside. I'm broke inside.
Nice. Okay, so that's the plan. I'm going to be asking her some simple but confusing science questions. Not confusing actually, I won't say that because I know her science state. So I wrote like really easy questions. If you can't answer these also, you're like.
Also, please don't judge. It is don't judge me. I don't care about her. Just don't judge me, guys.
Actually-
really, weak at this subject, and I hate that subject.
Actually, I'm doing too much overaction, but I'm also very weak at like social and stuff. So if you ask me,
No, I'm asking about law.
that also I don't know. Also, comment down which stream you guys are from, like PCB, PCM, whatever. Comment down.
And how hard it is, or
Yeah,
the difficulties you're facing.
we
or
can
any
talk about the struggles.
fun part of it.
Should we start?
Yeah.
Okay. The first question is pretty simple. I'm hoping you know the answer.
Where the heart is.
No. Heart is on your right side.
No, my heart is with my friend.
Brother, ugh.
What is the chemical formula of water?
H2O.
Good job.
No, for a second I was like, chemical formula, I have to think about chemistry.
Because I know her state, that's why I had to stoop so low and ask that question.
No.
I will go though.
Okay.
Go easy on me. I know
What is the
nothing.
full form of FIR? Basic.
First incident report?
Huh?
Incident.
First investigation report.
Is it not? What?
First inspection report. I know first, I know report, I don't know what the IS means.
Incident report. Like whenever the incident happens for the first time, they take a report. It's first information report.
Information interrogation. It's kind of
They
near.
also said investigation report.
So that's the first time they take information on report, huh? I'm so glad I'm not from any of these civils and stuff.
First information report. It's the report where the police takes the complaint.
Yeah, I know the police takes it. Okay. Which gas?
I don't know why I laughed that hard, but first incident report.
Or don't. Which gas do the plants take during the process of photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide. No.
What?
Carbon dioxide.
Do they take?
Either oxygen or carbon dioxide. Something.
No, they take nitrogen oxide. No, that's oxygen. You
That's
said
no.
You said carbon dioxide.
Then I also told oxygen. I said either oxygen or carbon dioxide because these are the only two gases I know. Do you know the term menstruation? And what does it mean?
I know menstruation. I know menstruation. I know menstruation. What's menstruation?
Menstruation. At least just answer it, by the little meaning or something.
Menstruation.
You can't answer it.
Okay.
With little meaning.
Can you imagine the spelling that I'm imagining? It is MENS mens RIA ria.
Area. Mens is correct.
Menstruation. Menstruation. Is it related to men?
Yeah, it's related to men.
Menstruation. What does ria mean?
The girl Ria. Menstruation means guilty mind.
Men only feel guilty. Or?
Yeah, women don't feel guilty for their acts. That's the reason we named it menstruation.
Feeling guilty for
It's a legal jargon, man.
How many lungs does a human have? You have 50 lungs. What are you counting? Can you see like it's here?
I don't know. One. Hey, we only have one. If it's lungs, then maybe two or more. Multiple.
Multiple.
Even you don't know, you're googling it.
For a second, I'm like, what? Am I wrong? Yeah, I am right. Okay, I know that. I swear. I see. She was like, she was counting, and I was like, am I wrong? So I had to Google it. Lungs do we have?
Two or more.
Oh, what is two or more?
It's a plural word. That means it's multiple.
One option. It's an MCQ. Okay, I'll
Then
give you
give me
options.
options, yeah.
I'll give you options. Okay. Option A 3. Option B 4. Option 3 2. Option 4. It's not there. Option 4 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
I said 3 4 2 5.
5 because it's the highest.
Why would you have 5 lungs, Ray?
Then why
Okay,
would you have
wait.
three lungs?
Tell me this, what is the function of lungs? At least tell me the process that.
Breathe in, breathe out.
This is an important question in NEET. Breathing and respiration are two different processes, and lungs is involved in respiration, not breathing. You breathe through this.
But it goes to lungs, no.
And the going process is respiration.
Okay,
How many
what
lungs?
is the answer?
2.
That's what I said, not 2.
Hey, every answer is like that's what I said. Okay, fine. Your question. Very easy.
So, people use section 420 of IPC everywhere. Like it's a general section. Like everyone is like, I'll sue you under section 420. You're a 420 guy. Like that.
I have had heard of 420.
Then what is section 420 of IPC?
What is IPC, first of all?
You would tell me.
Indian Police Command. Is it related to like Police Commission or something? Only section I know is section A, section B in classes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, section 420 IPC. And tell her, if you did something wrong and you are like you'll get
Law is all about punishing the wrong ones, okay?
Oh, so is it about punishing the right ones? Huh?
No. Deals with cheating.
Cheating?
Yeah.
I never did that, guys. So wrong. Not even in exams. Okay, what is the process of food cooking in plants?
Huh?
Basically, what is the process of making food in plants?
General law. Why does a plant,
How will it survive if she can't eat, right? she or he, whatever the gender of the plant is, they undergo a process. You know this process. Everybody studies this process.
Photosynthesis.
Yes.
Wow. What do you mean by jurisdiction?
Jurisdiction. Okay, I remember there was this one time my dad sat us down and he was like, he taught us what is jurisdiction, jurisdiction. Like you say, no, according to the jurisdiction of India, you're not supposed to do this. It's like a whole concept of things that you're like. It's like a concept of how you're supposed to do things.
According to Constitution of India, not jurisdiction of India.
Oh my god.
The legal authority of court to hear the case, as in, if let's say there is Telangana High Court, so it only hears the cases of Telangana jurisdiction.
The words are different. Fifth question. What is the process? Like you have to name the process, okay? Ice converting into vapor. Vapor. You know vapor, first of all.
Evaporization or condensation, but I don't. I'm like,
No, not any of it. I think it's a word that you don't know. I'm so glad I'm asking this question. If you guys are from CBSE, then do you remember there is this chart where it's like condensation, evaporation. I almost said that.
isolation.
What is isolation? No. What? Isolation is not even a chemical process. Isolation.
It's a mental process. Seriously, can't.
Sublimation. Ice.
In my
sublimes.
whole life, I never heard of this word. Do you know what a bench is?
The way we sit, no?
The good bench.
Yeah, I've heard the bench rejected the person. Something
Yeah,
like
that.
Yeah.
Do you know how many types of judicial benches are there in India?
In school, I know there are plenty benches, but none of them are like appropriate to sit. That only I know. All of them are broken. I don't know.
Like the single bench and the judicial bench, and then we have the feature bench, and then we have a constitution bench, and also have seven constitutional organization.
Like between 5 to 8.
I said 7, so I'm right. Okay, another question related to ice.
I hate ice.
Because you're very cool. That was it. Okay, is ice heavier or lighter than water? Which one is heavier or lighter? Ice or water?
Water is lighter.
Take a moment and think.
Then water is heavier.
Imagine
Imagine a bucket of water and then put some ice cubes. Imagine there is a ice situated, like where is it situated in the bucket of water?
and then try
Ice
to
is lighter, water is the heaviest one.
yes.
When you did all of that explanation, from there I got the answer that ice is lighter and water is heavier because it
You are
floats.
supposed to do it, yeah. But yeah, you're right. Because it floats, ice is lighter.
My question is, what is the role of mediator in any like legal dispute?
Who is a mediator?
Just think.
Okay,
it's a literal
mediator
meaning.
is like, he knows both sides of the coin, basically. And then he speaks like,
What do you mean by both sides of?
let's take a case where X and Y are involved. Z is the mediator. Like he basically he speaks out, what do you say, in favor of X and Y and against X and Y.
No, he basically mediates between both of them, and
That's why I said
No.
in simpler terms.
what he does is he tries to
Bring them to an agreement.
Yeah.
So I have 2 more questions left. Which one is faster, light or sound? Imagine the light. Like traveling. You are right, actually.
Do you know who a lady justice is?
Like, if the judge is a lady, she's lady justice, huh?
Have you seen any courtroom? Like in real life or in movies? There is this statue which is
The
blindfolded.
white statue is like black blindfold. She is lady justice. Yeah, I know her. Where she signifies that we have to say the truth even though like we are blinded by
No, it doesn't mean that. It means that no one is, discriminated before the bench. Everyone is equal and everyone is treated partially. Impartially, sorry. Anyways, you guys, we have decided to upload 2 videos per week. On Tuesday, we are gonna upload something motivational or,
something thought-provoking.
yeah. And
We're trying.
on Fridays, we are gonna upload a funny video because it's the weekend and we thought, you're gonna enjoy a funny video, as in a casual conversation or a challenge video or something like that.
And this
So-
time we'll try to be like consistent, even though it's
Not try to be, will definitely be consistent this time
no
because
matter what happens, we'll be consistent.
it doesn't mean that we didn't take it seriously before. We did take it seriously, but things happened and
We couldn't.
Yeah, but so anyways, thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this.
Why don't we outline like
Also, we have, we didn't fake anything. We actually don't know the answers of some questions, and we are our true selves in this video. So don't judge us at the same time. I hope you had fun. Let's meet in another video. You wanna say something?
Bye, Softies.
You just wanna say bye?
Yeah.
Bye, Softies. Take
Peace out.
care. We'll meet or catch up in another meeting.
If you have gas, please send it to us, please.